Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the next stop on the Gib River Road. Today we are at a free camp near Barnett Gorge. Hey! How awesome, hey? What a spot. Free camps, mate. Absolutely epic. All the big dog's taking a rest from his work today, I think. He's ready for a dip. Everyone's been doing a bit of work today. Lots of admin, computer, emails, phone calls. So it's got a bit of a catch-up day. We'll get into the gorges tomorrow and bring you along. Well, we made it 2.5 k's with the kids, about an hour walk. Well done, team.
Well done!
Now it's time for some rock jumps. Have a go at this. The kids are just down and fishing in the creek. We caught a cherubim down there. So we're going to chuck them in the fridge. We'll see if we can get some more and cook up a feed. We'll show you that later. Alright, I just got that cherubim out of the fridge that Talia caught down in the creek yesterday. I've pulled the head off, cut it in half as per Nick, the man's instructions, and cleaned out the poop line. And we've just chucked some garlic and butter on the barbie and just sitting it straight in there. So I'm just going to give it a little bit of a cook up, have a bit of a snack before dinner. All right, look at that. Beautiful. I'll get a fork and see how we go. Oh well, last night at our beautiful little creekside camp here out near Mount Barnett Gorge, we've got pulled pork for dinner. Woo! Probably can't really see that, but it's yum. Fresh slaw, wraps, beautiful fire.
The wrap's broken.
Beautiful wife. Lost compliment. When I missed this spot, it was absolutely ripper. So tomorrow we are off to Hann River?
I think so.
Oh, Hann River. So we're going to leave early and hopefully get a good spot. We'll flick you on when we get there. All right, I've just arrived at Hann River, one of the Hann River camps, free camps here, and it's a little bit overgrown, which means that no one's here, but it also means time for whipper snipper, and don't try this at home. So this is what we're trying to get access to. Beautiful little spot of the river. Hello! Beautiful little spot of the river for the kids to swim in, the big kids and the little kids. And then we just got this big clearing up here, so we're just trying to sort a bit of that out. They're dancing, got their hand lines out, trying to catch some fish. What do you rate this one, Raph, out of 10?
I'll give it a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, I reckon you're not far off there, buddy. There we go, she's all chopped up. Fire's roaring, ready to roll.
Me!
Keeping us warm.
Mackie.
Want to say hello?
Yeah. Hello. I do it now.
Thanks, mate. Hey, Mackie.
What a spot, hey? Far out, man.
You did play with it.
The Gib is the gift that keeps on giving so far. Super stoked with our time. It's exceeded expectations, which is always nice. We didn't really have too much of an idea of what we were doing, to be honest. But we've been very happy with the outcome. These amazing free camps and beautiful fresh swimming holes. Great company. Yeah, it's all good. Looking forward. We're getting close to 2 weeks in, so really looking forward to the next week and a half or so of our time here. All right, first night at Hann River Camp, ripping fire, dinner's done, and we got the camp oven on. Ooh wee! Mars pods in it. So if you don't know, now you know. Well, there it is. Have a sniff, would you? There you go. It's so hard to film with a head torch on. You've got to look side-eye.
It's on.
Alright, so we've decided to make a swing out of timber instead of a tyre, and I'm going to climb this tree, and Ava's going to film me in case I fall, so then at least you guys will have something funny to look at. Oh, oh no.
I hope he falls, but I also don't hope he
Thanks a
falls.
lot.
It'll be funny if he falls, but then he'd also get hurt, so I don't want that to happen. I'm a great daughter, aren't I?
We're going to make
Alright.
a nice big one.
Rope is done. Alright, so that worked out well. So Nick and I have been talking about for a little while now, and his idea was to chop up a nice bit of wood and carve our names into it with the date in it and hang it up at some of these awesome camps we've been finding. So we've sort of decided we'll take that nice piece for the kids swing, and this other one will be for the sign, which will be cool because hopefully one day we'll be back at some of these camps and it'll be awesome to see if the sign's still there.
You get a sign note in there. Put me down.
Please, Dan.
Please, Dan.
Yes, you are.
All right, so after a big day of work, hard work, here's the final result. Thanks to Nick's Googling, we had one attempt of tying the rope how we thought it would work and it didn't work. But how cool is that? The kids have been swinging on it most of the afternoon. We'll leave that here as a little bit of a gift to the next people. Fire's pumping, and Nick and I have slaved over this other slab of wood which we've carved our surnames into, Walk and Buckley, and we're going to put 2024 down here and then hang it up in the tree, and hopefully it will be here next time we come. All right, there it is. Look at this for a camp, eh? How good. Sign, swing, fire, water.
Legend.
These guys. Oh, it's time to leave this epic camp. It's been an absolute ripper. I hope that we get the opportunity to come back in the future. And I hope everyone who comes after us gets to enjoy the area we cleared with sticks. And a little swing we built. We've dug a nice little swimming hole down there. We all made some signs. Ava made a little sign to throw up yesterday as well. Best camp on the Gib, you reckon?
Pretty bloody good.
A little reminder for those who have fires as well at campsites. It's always good if you can to tip water on it, because this is how hot it is still under there. Even when it didn't look or feel too hot on the surface. So if a little kid rocks up at a campsite next time and thinks it's going to be okay to step on the fire or to dig in there or start playing in there, they'll end up losing their feet or fingers.
Another one?
It's like a volcano, man. That's crazy. Hey guys, we're back. We made it to McGowan's. We're back on the boat. We made it here yesterday. The campsite was full, so we're sort of stuck in a bit of an overflow until we get moved down to one of the beach sites, hopefully tomorrow. So we thought we were going to head out on the boat today. It is an absolute glass off. We've been told the fishing is really awesome here, so hopefully we've got something good to show you in a few minutes. Beautiful little Queenie parade. We'll get him back in the drink. So we get to have our first beachfront sunset from our new camp tonight, which is awesome. Not a bad day today at all. Super stoked. Ready for a feed and a cold ale. And then, yeah, tomorrow's supposed to be a bit windy with the forecast, so we probably won't go out far if we do go out. But I will keep you in the loop anyway. I have been slack on this trip to McGowan's. We've been battling weather and fish and all other good things. And my battery is also just about to die out. On the day we've made it to Bird Island. So I just wanted to jump in, cap our trip a little bit for this point so far, because I've done stuff all filming and we've had an epic time. We've caught heaps of fish, we've had days and days of no fish, and the weather has blown to custard, even though it may not look like it on the screen at the moment. The day we finally ventured out to Bird Island. So we're just gonna have a bit of an explore around here today. Hopefully the wind drops off and we can do a bit more fishing. But otherwise I will see you at the next destination. The size of its head, mate. There's the 130 mark. Well, here we are, the end of our Gib trip at the Pentecost River. So this is the free camp. Pretty ripping spot, really. We got here yesterday in the morning, got set up, and yeah, it's a good little spot. We're heading out to Zebedee Falls to have a look around and go and see what that's like, and then we're going to go out to Home Valley later today and treat ourselves to a nice cooked lunch and maybe a couple of cold beers. So yeah, I think I'm going to wrap this one up here. I've got a bit of drone footage and a few other little bits and pieces I'll throw in the vid, but other than that, man, the Gib's been a great experience. We had a few little hiccups towards the end that I probably didn't switch you on for. Our fridge door fell off, and now the compressor started making funny noises. What else? We didn't lock our door, our front door one day, and the door flew open and a whole bunch of dust went inside the van. A whole bunch of screws came loose. But yeah, that's about it for us for this one. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you soon.
It's calling